Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So yesterday, the video that I shot in this house, you guys know, like the life update and the studio or the workplace tour, it turned out fine, but the only problem I think was with the voice, the sound quality, because this house is not stuffed. So I'm really in a bad condition today and I'm sweating because I turned the fan down like too big, I think, mainly because it's very hot here. There's no aircon right now, and the camera actually picks up the fan noise really bad. So yesterday's video turned out to be okay, but the sound quality was really bad because there was a lot of background noise of the fan, plus my voice was echoing. So I tried to manage it as far as possible, as much as I could. And Final Cut Pro का भी अपना एक limitation है, because if I totally shut down or remove the background noise, then even my sound, the small little pauses, the gaps, the air that I breathe between words and between talking, it looks so fake and it looks like robotic, and my voice sounds muffled. It did sound muffled, as if I'm wearing a mask and talking. So that was a bit of a problem. So I did work it out and I tried to do my best. If you watch that video, please understand that the house is totally empty and that it still is going to take time. So yesterday's video, and I was so elated yesterday, I was so happy and I was so full of joy and life because I got some work done. And as I said, I don't call it really work, but yes, I did something productive with myself. I had some alone time, like 2 hours time when the baby goes to school. That's so much. That means so much to me. Like initially, and I understand this totally from the perspective of all the mothers. If you can squeeze out some time, like 1 ghanta, 2 ghanta for yourself, trust me, that is going to refresh you, rejuvenate you. That's going to bring or breathe a new life into the monotony of whatever you're going through. So it was that. Now I wanted to ask you guys one thing. Sometimes back, like a few months back, I actually did shoot a video, but I'm not very happy with the video. It's a bags video, and I did go to a place on the basis of a lot of YouTube videos. I went to this particular place called as Nabi Kareem, which is in Purani Delhi, in New Delhi, and they sell really affordable bags. They're like, you have to buy them in bulk. That's the only thing. Like, you have to get at least 3 pieces. I'll try and vlog it sometime for you, but for now, that's the only thing that I can tell you. And mostly what they sell is knockoffs of really good brands. If you are against, or if you don't want to kind of use knockoffs of really big brands like Gucci or maybe Guess or maybe Chanel also sometimes, Coach, all these brands, they sell the knockoffs and they look like pretty okay or pretty decent bags at a very decent price, like reasonably priced at around 1000 rupees. Some of them are for 700 rupees, like that. So mostly are like around 1000 rupees. So that is the average price of all the bags. So I did purchase a couple of bags from there. And if you're up for it, then I'll show it. But I'm very afraid to kind of show knockoffs on my channel because you guys know I'm not a person that really likes logos on my bag. Like, for example, I'm using this Van Heusen bag. It has a small little logo and I'm not really up for it. And that's why probably I like Zara more than any other. I might be contradicting myself in my next bag collection video, mainly because I have a bag that has logo of the brand all around it. In some cases, I'm okay with it, like not the show off thing, but in person, I would any day not want to wear something with big chunky logos on it. Like if you watch my previous video, like my first bag video, I think in that also I've mentioned that I do not like bags with logos. And I still hold that true. Someday, inshallah, when I have my own bag line, the birds flying, I'm very, very happy. So that's why I'm a little distracted because I'm facing the balcony and the balcony is open and I can see the birds flying. It's beautiful. I'm so happy filming here. So someday, inshallah, when I have my own bags line, my bag collection, it's not going to have logos. It might have a small little dot or something just to accentuate just to enhance the look of the bag, but not really a particular logo with my name on the brand's name, nothing of that sort, because minimal, I think, goes a long way. So that's why I wanted to come here and ask you guys, would you want to see or watch a video like that has a lot of knockoffs? and I will not be mentioning because a lot of them I don't know, but I really want you guys to know because all of you are like real bag lovers, like the way I am. So I want to bring to you guys any kind of bag that is available. I'm going to show you the bag in a bit from now, but the entire haul probably I think I'll do tomorrow. So yeah, that was that. Then I am planning to do my own bag collection video, like 2024 bag collection. Now I have cut down the number of bags that I have, but will not be actually showing you a lot of it. But yes, these are the ones that I really use a lot. And I will also be doing more of perfumes or more of luxe perfume hauls and reviews. If there's any particular perfume that you want me to review, please let me know in the comment section below so that I can get my hands in it and I can review it for you, because genuinely I love perfumes and I would like to review all the perfumes that are available in the world for you here in this channel. Just like Fragrantica, this channel should be like, okay, you want that perfume review, go to that channel. So I hope someday that happens. So these are things that I had in mind that I wanted to share with you guys. Overall, the day has just started. I really lose the track of time, date, everything, because the kind of job that I have. Today is April 3rd and aaj kisi ka birthday hai. I have so many friends who are born in April, and sometimes I'm just digressing from the actual topic, but I just feel people who are born in April are so nice. They are so intelligent. It's just a thing. I don't know why. They're very intelligent people. They have a very, high EQ, very empathetic. I've had so many friends who are born in April and they were like marks wise, if I talk about intelligent marks wise, marks as in like toppers and all, they were all born in April. I don't understand why. It's April of 2024. We are in the 4th month of this year. So life is going by really fast. Sometimes I'm very happy that everything is just, going really fast. That means the days of struggle will pass really fast. But sometimes I feel like that the time is flying so fast that when will you really enjoy and learn to be happy? So I came to this conclusion that whatever you have, wherever you are, just be happy, try to be content, keep improving yourself. Just, enjoy yourself, but also try to better yourself. I mean, just do everything simultaneously. कभी भी ऐसा नहीं होगा that you'll get one day, one perfect day. Like all of these things will get over. There will come a time, a threshold that after this threshold, everything is going to be picture perfect and everything will be in its place. That will never, ever happen. We'll always have days like this, mixed with sadness, mixed with sorrow, mixed with happiness, mixed with joy, everything. And we all have to learn to kind of take bites from every plate, sadness, happiness, emotion, loss, grief, success, everything. So you have to taste the flavor of life. I think it is like that. And we all have to learn to enjoy it. That's all that I feel like. As I'm growing up, I am learning to be content with limited stuff as well. I'm very happy with how I'm growing up. Like mindset wise, I've become much more calm. I've become much more tolerant. I've become much more giving. I've become much more accepting. And I think that's how life is. We all kind of grow up the same. And it's just the perspective that, we have to set at a point where it is comfortable for us. So I think change your perspective and everything changes. So guys, this is me today, not really showing you guys anything as of now, but one lipstick that I want to show you is the Charlotte Tilbury. I am really loving it. Like, it's always in my bag and it is my favorite lipstick. This is a Pillow Talk Medium, and it's so good because it gives that perfect sheen, not too much, but a little something. This perfect brownish pink color is so good for all the Indian skin tones. I want to Of late, I've become really fond of lipsticks. So I think I'm going to be buying a lot of lipsticks. I'm really excited and pumped up to buy some new makeup. It's been so long that I did not purchase a lot of makeup, and I just want to chill and not really do anything. That is exactly what I'm doing today. I was just thinking, what should I shoot today? So I have a lot of content in my head, but the problem is with the sound. Till the time I do not get this apartment fully furnished as in I need some bits and pieces that are very important. Like I need a mirror. There are a lot of things that are in my cart as of now, and I'll be placing the order today. So there's this long mirror that I need because I need to get ready here for my videos, or in general also. I think mirrors really enhance the aesthetic of a place. Okay, wait. Yes, so there's a lot of makeup also in my cart. Mirrors are so expensive, guys, and I know Banjara Market does the best mirrors if you want like full size mirrors, like framed full size mirrors. But then going to Banjara Market altogether is a full task. Like it's going to take the entire day, and don't have that kind of a time or energy or patience. So I think I'll stick to Amazon for that. And so there's a lot of things that requires or that needs to be done at this place. I told you guys I'll be keeping or maintaining the kitchen a little bit. So maybe I'll get a coffee machine. That's going to be much more handy. And I don't require anything else besides that, I think. That bag, okay, I'll get one of the. So guys, this is one of the bags that I want to show you. Look how good quality this bag is. It's like it's very nice gold hardware, and it's like a really sturdy bag. It's a very sturdy bag. It has a very solid bottom, so that's what I really like. And then when you open it, it has a space, compartment, zipper, everything. It's very nice. I mean, I really like this bag, and they have an amazing collection of these kind of bags. I can see even malls selling these kind of bags, knockoff bags, bahar stall laga hota hai, and they sell these bags. So this was, I think, for around 999 or something, which is like okay for this bag. And I've also seen this kind of bags on Amazon, Myntra and stuff. So yes, this is one of the bags. When you go to Sarojini, you get really amazing stuff, at really super affordable price. I think I'll go to Sarojini some of the days, and it's very hot in Delhi right now. But I think one of these days I'm going to go to Sarojini and find out what's there for the summer. So I will do a nice, good, summer Sarojini Nagar summer haul. So yes, guys, I think with this, I'm going to wind this video up. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. It means a lot that you stick through with me with every situation of mine. So thank you so much. I appreciate. I'll see you in my next video, maybe tomorrow. And if you want to see these kind of chit chat videos, I'm always up for it. I will be doing more of these kind of videos because I just love sitting and talking to you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Abhi, the plan is it's like 11 o'clock on a Wednesday morning, 3rd of March. I have to go pick Siki up from school at 12:30, I guess. Yes, and then the day will be as usual. Feed him, bathe him, put him to sleep, edit the video, and then have a cup of coffee, and then make dinner, and then feed dinner to the baby, and then again edit the video. Yeah, that's how it is. And I'm also a little bit sleepy. I just want to sleep. Like sometimes I really want to sleep. There's so many birds. I'm so distracted. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I will give you a glimpse of what I am seeing in front of me. Okay, so don't worry. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I love you all so much. Bye, guys. I'll show you what I'm looking at. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at. Can you spot the birds in the sky? There are no birds now. So I see a lot of birds and planes and all these things flying from here, which is like very nice. Okay, so that's what I see from this. So balcony is open, and that's the natural light that I'm shooting in. Okay, so